In this lesson, you will learn how to use the tiling preview feature and understand how to create an assembly guide. With your tiling job layout completed, click on the Tiling Preview button, and your job will open in the Tiling Preview window. Here you'll find two tabs. Selecting the Single Tile View tab will allow you to examine each tile in your job individually, while clicking on the Tile Layout Overview tab will show you the entire graphic divided into the individual tiles. At the bottom center of the single tile view is a navigation area where you can click forward and back through each of your tiles. The transparent green area on the tile shows the overlap, while the solid blue area designates the glue area. Notice on tile 1, there are no areas highlighted on the top or left edge, because the Fiery system knows that there is no tile overlap on those edges. To the right is a window containing page navigation windows. If you had applied nesting to a multi-page PDF file, you could use the control to step through the individual pages. You can select the Zoom tool to zoom into any area of the preview, whether it's the entire layout or an individual tile. On the left, you'll find a box with two options. In the single tile view, on the bottom, on the left, is a box with two options: Save Selected Tile or Save All Tiles. If you click the Save button, your system will generate a PDF file of either the individual tile or, if you have Save All Tiles selected, a multi-page PDF file with one tile printed on each page. Note that the PDF files are low-resolution images and not the same high resolution of the tiles themselves. If you select the Tile Layout Overview option, then your only option in this box is Save Selected Page, which will generate a PDF file that shows your entire tiling job. Together, these PDF files can be used as an assembly guide to aid in the installation of your tiling jobs. After you have generated your PDF files, you can click the Close button. This completes this module.